this afternoon. The storm risk today is higher than it was yesterday. Yesterday was kind of confined to our western counties. Today it does include the Metroplex. Live shot this morning as the day has dawned. You can see the humidity in that. You see the fog, a little bit of haze this morning as we look down at Globe Life Park. Hard to believe this is the last year of the park. They're going to be playing baseball there tomorrow, a preseason game. But 61 degrees right now at DFW. Look at the dew points in the upper 50s. That's an indication of how much humidity is in the air. And when this number is the same as this number, the actual temperature, you'll get fog. So that's why we have some haze out this morning, because the relative humidity is in that 90% range. Now, the rain and thunderstorms from yesterday off to the east. Not a threat for you this morning. Get out and enjoy the morning and really for the day, because the storm risk is at the close of the day, if not until the evening. Meanwhile, we're going to have some cloud cover. It's going to be a little breezy. Temperatures are going to get into the 80s today. This could be the warmest day we've had so far this year. The rain chances start to show up at the close of the day, and there are going to be some thunderstorms, and some strong thunderstorms at that. So let's talk about this. We have a cold front coming in. Now notice what the forecast model is doing. It is waiting till after 4 o'clock before we start seeing some thunderstorms. There is a chance we could see some development well ahead of the front, isolated in nature, not a whole lot of coverage. We'll just be here watching here for you and make sure the thunderstorms are not developing in the earlier part of the afternoon. We're pretty sure they're going to develop in the evening hours. This is the front coming through. This is at 8 o'clock, and you can see along this line, we quickly start to see thunderstorms develop from Fort Worth off to the west. Again, this is just a forecast model, so it could be anywhere along this line. We see these thunderstorms develop at the close of the day or early evening, and then notice how quickly they ramp up into what could be some severe weather as we get into the evening hours, and this includes the metro area where we have this threat of severe weather. Then as we get later on through the overnight hours, it pushes off to the east and to the southeast, and then we clear out and we have this nice day on Monday. But we think the highest risk of severe weather is from the metro area and up towards Paris and Sulphur Springs. The biggest threat will be large hail and damaging winds with these thunderstorms. Again, it's going to be at the close of the day, more likely in the evening hours. Until then, enjoy this warm day. And tomorrow, once the storms leave, it's going to be a very nice Monday in store for us. We do have spring thunderstorms back in the forecast as we close the work week. Another strong front coming through. It looks like the risk is probably going to be either Friday night or Saturday, the way it's looking now. Another one of those times where temperatures get up to the 80s and then much cooler behind the front on some windy conditions. So this afternoon, 82 degrees with late thunderstorms. And tonight, we're talking about an overnight low, very mild again into the 50s with evening thunderstorms that could be strong, and then some nice weather all the way until we go into next weekend, and then we'll have temperatures drop by Saturday as a strong cold front comes through.